Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential product for anyone wanting to keep their knees strong, flexible, and pain-free. If knee pain has been holding you back, or if you're trying to avoid knee replacement surgery in the future, you're going to want to hear about this. In today's review, we're breaking down Ageless Knees, a unique program designed to support knee health, build joint strength, and help you stay active without the worry of knee pain. Knees are among the most vulnerable joints in the body, especially as we age. Wear and tear, high-impact activities, and even genetics can make them prone to pain and injury. And while knee replacement surgery can help, it's invasive, expensive, and comes with a lengthy recovery. That's where the Ageless Knees program steps in. It's a non-surgical, natural way to help you strengthen your knees and keep them pain-free. So what exactly is Ageless Knees? It's a comprehensive program built around exercises, stretches, and routines tailored specifically for knee health. Created by a team of experts in joint health and exercise science, this program aims to help reduce knee pain, improve mobility, and even build up knee strength over time. It's perfect for those who want to avoid high-risk exercises, but still strengthen their knees effectively. Ageless Knees brings some real practical benefits. Let's break down the key ones. First, it helps strengthen the muscles around your knees to relieve stress on the joints. Second, it improves knee mobility, which is crucial for everyday movements. And finally, it supports the longevity of your knee joints, which means you'll have a greater chance of staying active for years to come. If you're curious to learn more or want to try it out for yourself, click the link in the description to visit the official website. What sets Ageless Knees apart from other knee health programs? Unlike traditional exercise plans, which can be hard on sensitive knees, Ageless Knees is specifically designed to avoid high-impact movements that can make knee pain worse. It's also customizable, so whether you're starting from a place of severe pain or just want preventative exercises, there's a level for you. You get routines that are safe yet effective, targeting the muscles and ligaments that play a crucial role in knee stability. Getting started with Ageless Knees is straightforward. When you sign up, you'll gain instant access to all the resources, exercise videos, and guides to support your knee health journey. Plus, the program provides a structured approach to progress over time, making it easy to see improvements in your strength and mobility. To wrap up, if knee pain is something you've been struggling with, or if you're simply hoping to keep your knees strong for the future, Ageless Knees could be the solution you've been looking for. It's non-invasive, easy to follow, and designed for real results. Don't wait until knee pain sidelines you. Take action now. And remember, you can find the link to the official website in the description below if you're ready to learn more. Keep your knees healthy, stay active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights, and leave a comment below if you've tried Ageless Knees or have any questions. Until next time, take care and stay strong.